But on my further camera, it's the place of hunter. On my background, if you listen with me, just waiting. Some animals are bailing. You know what? They are not dogs, they are not wolves or coyotes, they are deers. I saw lots of them. That's why I know they are. And even I saw them in North of America. I was in state of Seattle, state of Washington, which is the Seattle there. Was because of Boeing. And I have been to Manitoba in Canada, as well as Saskatchewan, Yellowknife, and I saw bigger than them. That's why I know the voice when they are bailing. Wish you have a nice evening wherever you are. Bye.